Expanded notation. A number can be written in expanded form by writing each digit with its place value unit. So for example, the number 287 can be written as the following. So let's write this into our place value chart. So we have 287. Okay, now if you notice here, what we're going to do is we're going to first write out our number, which is 287. So you can see here that we have 2 hundreds, we have 8 tens, and 7 ones. Okay, now we're going to write this a little bit more. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, well, this is 2 times 100. Okay, and then the 8 tens is the same thing as 8 times 10. And then the 7 ones is the same thing as 7 times 1. So therefore, we're going to get the following. In expanded notation, we get 200, because 2 times 100 is 200, plus 80 tens, plus 7 ones. And therefore, we would say that this is called expanded form. Let's take a look at another example here. We want to convert the following standard form into expanded form. So let's go ahead and write this number into our place value chart. So in this case here, we have 4,000, that's a comma, 672. Okay, looking at our place value chart, we would say that 4,672 is equal to 4,000s plus 600s plus 7 tens plus 2 ones. And again, if we do our multiplication, we know that 4 times 1,000 gives us 4,000. And then 600s is 6 times 100, which is 600. We know that 7 tens is 7 times 10, which gives us 70. And then 2 ones is the same thing as 2 times 1. Therefore, in expanded form, we get 4,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 2. Okay, let's take a look at our last example, 257,016. So we have 6, 1, 0 with a comma, and then we have 7, 5, and then 2. So we can see here that the 2 is located in the 100,000s. 5 is 10,000, so it's 200,000s plus 5 10,000s plus 7,000s plus 0 hundreds plus 1 10 plus 6 ones. So again, if we take 2, we're going to multiply that by 100,000. And we're going to take 5 and multiply that by 10,000. We're going to take 7 and multiply that by 1,000. We're going to take 0 and multiply that by 100. 1 times 10, and then 6 times your ones. So if we take a look at this in expanded form, we can see that we get 200,000 plus 5 times 100,000 is 50,000, plus 7 times 1,000 is 7,000, plus 0 times 100 is 0, so we don't have that value in there. We can put it in there, we don't need to, but if we wanted to, we can put in 0. Okay, 1 times 10 is 10, and 6 times 1 is 1. So in expanded form, we would get the following result.